Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you a diffuser blend, and it is called Vanilla Chai. So I'm going to get my gloves on. I'm going to show you all what I'm doing. Today I'm using 2 drops of vanilla, 2 drops of cardamom, 1 drops of clove, and 1 drop of cinnamon. Guys, I used this blend before. It is so beautiful, and this is a winter blend. Now if you need to like if you're doing chai or you're doing some kind of exercise or something, workout or something, now this is a beautiful blend to just keep you going, and the fragrance, and even if you're sweating hard and dripping, you would not smell yourself. Trust me, I use this blend all the time. And more likely where I use this is in my bathroom upstairs. Now if you're doing even number 2, guys, trust me, when you're using this blend, you would not smell a thing, no matter how the person have bad poop smell. You would not you would not smell anything. What you do is just smell all this blend. And so let me go ahead and show you what I'm doing. So I'm talking, but at the same time, don't forget, I'm gonna be adding the recipe in the front here for you guys. And I use 2 drops already. No, I use 1 drop of clove already, and I'm gonna be using 1 drop of, this is not coming out. See, that's why I have to be using 2 dropper right now, because and you can see the spillage that I have on my towel already. So that's all we need, that 1 drop. Now if you are going to say have a big room and you need to be like, you need to smell around, you can go ahead and double up on this recipe, even triple up on this recipe, because this is no rules to it. This is just for a small room, and you can even use this in your bedroom if you want to. There is no rules, because what you don't want is to be adding too much oil at once in the diffuser, because what happened in the bottom of the diffuser, you have to keep an eye on it at all times, because if you don't, then this oil is going to be dried and become crystallized inside your diffuser. Like on previous video, I show you a video that I've done and the diffuser, and you can see it in the bottom of the diffuser. It's all dried. And don't forget, guys, you need to take care of your diffuser. Don't forget to clean your diffuser regularly, because over time it will grow mold. That's just clear. So that's what you have to do, and always diffuse in an open, well ventilated space. Thank you for watching, guys.